going to take Wonderland.
To defeat a villain,
Evil is as evil does.
we have to think like a villain.
Surprise.
We're coming with you to Wonderland.
I don't know about this. Like it or not, we have to work together.
Whoa, let's pull it back.
Be careful. Life can sweep parts of you away.
Chloe, please talk to me.
You can decide your own fate.
And just like that, heroes become villains.
Like the new me?